It's a warm day here today. It's 82 degrees out right now. Pretty darn windy, which makes this beautiful day not quite so enjoyable, but I'll take it. I think old buddy here isn't gonna like summer. He likes the winter, I think. He'll run around in the snow all day, but I don't think he likes the heat already. And not sure if you can see it, he found an old chair cushion out on the burn pile. Decided to bring it up here and let the stuffing go all over the yard. Anyway. And before we get going in this video, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already. So I got a couple of alligator clips here, and I hooked it on to the wires for the window. Got the battery out of it sitting down here. Got it so the window will work, and I actually want it down. So I want to get this window run out of this door, get all this off the door, so when I paint it, no chance of any white showing through anywhere. So some people in one of those little short videos I did, a couple people commented the easiest way that they found to do it is to remove the vent window, which I need to get it out anyway. Remove all this, and there's two Phillips head screws kind of underneath the door seal. One here, and there's an 11mm bolt down here. So I'll remove both of these screws. I did look in the Haynes manual. They didn't explain it real well. They said something about taking these two screws out and leaning this one way or the other. I don't quite get what they were talking about there. So I'll get this bolt out of here as well. I got that bolt out. Now I'm not sure what the heck you do. It said something about, in the book it said something about leaning it back, but I don't know how you can do that. It's got a window down in here. Not for certain how that comes out. Aha. I think it's just kind of stuck on up here. There we go. Try to get this out without damaging anything. Oh, bracket, how the heck are you supposed to get that out of there? Alright, got that out. This ought to come right out. Ta-da! And this is held on with those funky clips. If you know what I'm talking about. I think we're going to get new ones of these. These are getting pretty cracked. Stuck. I have to wedge something in there so I don't accidentally slam this door and break the glass. on. Well, sucker's stuck in there. We're gonna have to get underneath here and pry up on it somehow. It's not wanting to come. Let's see, the next clip is right here. Well, I'm going to work on getting this out the rest of the way, and I'll bring you back in a minute. Got it. Now I'm going to take this mirror off of here. It's a T27 Torx. This front one up here, I may have to do that with a ratchet. I can't get on it very good. This socket. Oh shoot. Uh-oh, rounding that one out a little bit. This one up here, I don't think I can get it with this. Maybe I can. I'm going to take it all the way out though until I work on that one a little bit. Be right back. Actually, a T30 fits a little better. I think the first one I tried had some dirt in it and I couldn't get a bigger one in that, but let's see if I can get this thing out now. Heck yeah! There we go. Now to get the lock cylinder out, there's just a retaining clip right here that you gotta pop out. Sometimes they come out real easy, other times not so much. This one's gonna be a not so much. Wiggling around on it. There we go. Maybe. Hold on. We'll get the little booger out of there. There we go. And this should pull out of here. There's a rod. I don't remember how it's even hooked on. Took those towels out of the window, and you can tilt the window. It'll go back and forth. Tilt it forward so I can reach that rod. I kind of pry two little things apart. That rod just kind of snaps in there, and I can't get it. Hold on. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it's, whoops. Yeah, it's right back in there. You can see it. Alright, we're going to try this. Okay, well, came out pretty easy that way. So that's out. And now I'm just going to put this back on there. So I know where it is. Now we need to get the door handle off, which I'm not going to do that today because I still want to be able to open and close the door and have it latch shut. But there's a bolt there and one in there, which are going to be, they're going to be fun to get, but we'll get them. Other than that, it's pretty much ready to get ready for paint. I'm going to have to take this off, and it's just taped on basically, which is starting to come off right there a little bit, but that's really in fairly decent shape. So I'm going to try to save that. Don't know if I can get it off without damaging it, but I'll give it a shot. I think I probably can. But other than that, as far as all this stuff, you could tape it off and remove all the harnesses and all that, but I'm not really going to worry about painting, up in here too much. Probably go around the edge of it. I mean, there's a door panel on there, so it's going to be all covered up. But definitely need to get it painted up in here and all up around here. So I need to do this to the other door as well, get it ready, and the inside of the doors will be ready for paint. Now before I paint it, I'm going to be taking the glass out. I just don't want to do it right now. Not sure where I'd put it down here. Could take it up to the house or something, but I'll just take it out when I'm going to paint it. To do that, and all you do to do that is you take the glass and you rotate it down forward, and then the channel on the bottom of the glass, you'll just slide and turn, just keep turning it and sliding it, and well, I just took it out, but anyway, that's how you do that. I can get her back in there, we go. But for now, I'm just leaving it in the door, that way it won't get bumped into, knocked over, broken.
Tomorrow.
So last night I finished up on the driver's side door. Got all the same stuff removed on that, and these suckers are about ready to get painted on the inside. Want to get a hood though, like I was talking about earlier, so I can paint the underside of the hood when I do the doors at the same time. This morning, however, we had some rain this morning. Not a lot, some. I'm not sure exactly how much. But I don't believe it rained too terribly much. But it's nice out, light breeze. Temperature must be in the middle to upper 60s. I think we're supposed to get some thunder showers this afternoon. So that's where I'm at with the Bronco. Just got the doors, they're pretty much ready. I gotta sand them down yet and prep them for paint. And I don't think we'll be planting beans probably till the end of the week. Maybe this weekend we'll get back in the field planting beans. My dad and my uncle were gonna go spray today, but it rained, so they're not doing that either. Haven't mentioned in my last couple of videos, if you have a license plate for the license plate wall or anything else that you'd like to send into the Fox shop, address where you can do so is down in the description. Along with a link down there for hoodies, sweatshirts, t-shirts, link down there for channel stickers as well. That's all down in the description also. So moving forward on the Bronco, we'll at least be putting some color somewhere on this thing before long. And we'll be making a salvage yard trip shortly, maybe this week. So give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.